Hello, I'm going to go ahead and show you where to find your skills quiz for today's math assignment. You will log into stemscopes, and right here you will see skills quiz and a green question mark. You're going to go ahead and click the blue letters where it says skill quiz. Okay, once you have clicked on that, you are going to see your skills quiz. At the very top, the directions say to draw pictures and write number sentences to solve the word problems. For every question, you are going to draw a picture right here at the bottom and complete your number sentence. So you're going to draw a picture of the word problem and complete the number sentence. How you can draw your picture is if you go up here, you have a bunch of little buttons and options. You are going to click this paintbrush icon, and you are going to be able to draw on your picture. If you need to erase, right here in this backwards arrow, you can go ahead and push it and it will erase what you've drawn. So the paintbrush to draw and the backwards arrow to delete. Okay, and then right here at the top, you have a lowercase a and then an uppercase a. But the buttons next to it, you're going to push them and it's going to turn blue. And once you push them, you are going to see play boxes on every question. You are able to click on them and it will read the question for you. Once you are done, you are going to go ahead and click this green button at the very top on the right, turn in, and then go back to Google Classroom and click the turn in button on your math assignment, so your teacher knows that you have completed today's assignment.